Good morning, African Stars International School learners. I'm teacher Rauna, your grade 1 teacher. Welcome to Environmental Studies e-learning lesson 10. Our topic for today is bullying. Before we get in our lesson for today, let's quickly give a feedback on our previous activity. We were talking about sources of energy. So you were asked to match the following things with their energy sources. Now the first one was a car and its energy source is a fuel. Number 2 was plants, of where we said plants need sun or sunlight as their source of energy. And lastly, we talked about people need food as their source of energy. Now let's get in our topic for today. What is bullying? Bullying is when someone repeatedly and on purpose say or does mean or hurtful things to another person who has a hard time defending himself or herself. Okay? So bullying is when somebody repeatedly and does or say something mean or hurtful, and that person does that on purpose, okay? In order to hurt a certain person who cannot be able to defend him or herself. Okay, now bullying can be in different ways. Bullying can not only be physical but can also be emotional, okay? So bullying does not always has to be kicking, punching, but it also has to do with making fun of someone or name calling them. Okay. Who is a bully? Like we said, bullying is saying or do mean things or hurtful things to somebody who cannot defend themselves. So now, who is a bully? A bully is a person who purposely tries to hurt others. Okay? A person who tries to hurt others on purpose by making them uncomfortable, hurting them by kicking, hitting, or pushing, name calling, or spreading rumors. Okay? Like we said, bullying isn't just about being physically hurt, such as by kicking, hitting, and pushing. Bullying can also be emotionally. Emotionally, we mean name calling, okay? Calling somebody a bad name, okay? A name that is not theirs, or spreading lies or accusing somebody of something that they did not do, okay? Or making them uncomfortable. Okay, now that we know what a bully is, a bully hurts the person or the other person over and over. Okay, now a bully can be a boy or a girl, doesn't matter. Okay, who do bullies pick on? Who do bullies pick on? Who usually get bullied? Okay, now bullying can be done at home or in the community or at school. Okay, but often bullies are bigger kids, so they usually pick on kids that they feel are smaller. Okay, kids they think who won't stand up to them. Okay, or kids that have fewer friends to stand up to them. Okay, so usually bully is somebody older, and they usually bully the small kids, okay? The ones that they feel they can hurt and you won't do anything, okay? So they usually target kids or people that they know these people won't do anything. Even if I beat you, you won't beat me back. Or even if I call you a certain name that you don't like, you won't say anything, okay? They also target kids that have fewer friends to stand up to them, okay? So for example, you stay alone. A bully is likely to attack you because they know no one else or no one around you can defend you. Okay. What to do if someone is bullying you? Okay. So what do you do when you find yourself as a victim of bullying? Okay. Tell someone you trust about it. And if you are not that type of person that can tell another person, try to write a note and just say, no, a certain person is bullying me or is doing this to me. Now, people that you might want to tell are your parents, your teachers, the principal, or your older friends, okay? Or any other friend that you have. Try to talk to someone. Try to tell someone about it, okay? Also, never keep being bullied a secret, okay? If a person you told cannot help you or does not do anything, find someone else, okay? So never keep being bullied a secret. Don't just suffer in silence, but tell somebody about it. And if that somebody that you tell that you are being bullied cannot do something, try telling another person about bullying, okay? The next thing that you can do if someone is bullying you is try not to let the bully see you upset, okay? So if you know that somebody bullies you, try by all means when you see that person, don't feel shy or don't feel scared, okay? Just be normal, okay? Because most of the times when you are upset or when you are scared, that's when the person gets to attack you. So most of the times that you see that person that usually bullies you, do not try to be upset. Just be normal and happy, okay? Also, avoid areas where the bully feels comfortable picking on you, okay? For example, avoid areas where teachers cannot see you, such as corners of a playground or corridors or behind large furnitures in the classroom, okay? So try by all means to avoid areas where the bully feels comfortable picking on you. For example, when it's only the two of you that are there, avoid such areas. Try by all means to be, if you see the bully and you are, for example, behind walls or something, try and go at an open space where everyone can see you. That way you won't get bullied, okay? Because bullies are also scared of other people, so they would not want to bully you when there are other people around you, but only when you are alone, okay? What to do if you see someone who is being bullied, okay? Now let's say you are not the one who's getting bullied and you know of someone who is being bullied. So what do you do? For example, one of your friends gets bullied. What should you do? Okay? Get friends together and talk to the bully. Okay? Talk to the bully and let the bully in your school know that bullying is not accepted at your school. Okay? For example, come together. Now that you have noticed a certain person is being bullied, tell your other friends about it. That this person gets bullied. Let's tell this bully that no, it's not allowed. And tell him straight, no, it's not allowed in the school to bully others. Okay? And that bully should not feel comfortable bullying other people. The next point is, do not cheer the bully on or stand to watch. Okay? Once you notice that the bully is or somebody is bullying another person, do not just stand there and scream and stand to just watch another person being bullied. The bully might like the attention and pick on the kid even more. Okay? So most of the times, do not cheer the bully on or stand to watch there. rather than call somebody. Okay, call someone that can stop it, or call someone that can help. Okay, also, if you see someone being bullied, find someone to help. Okay, for example, you can get a friend, get a teacher, or get the principal and tell them, no, a certain person is being bullied. That way we can stop it. Right, the next point is be nice to people. Okay, being nice, get to know the people who are being bullied. They might just or you might just find that they are similar to you. Okay, so try by all means to always be nice to people. Try to make friends with a bully also, and show them other ways to interact with others. That way they do not need to bully others to be accepted or to feel like they are cool. Alright? So being nice to people. Also try being nice to the bully. That way he or she would change the way that they interact with people and they bully others. Okay? Don't just cheer to them and so that they feel like they are being too cool or they are being accepted by others that way. Right? In our activity for today, you are asked, what should you do if someone is bullying you? We have just talked about all these things. Now tell me, what should you do if someone is bullying you? We have come to the end of today's lesson. Answers to the activities will be provided in our next lesson. Remember to keep safe, avoid crowded places in order to fight COVID-19. Thank you.